Hi everybody, it's Paula from Paula's Primary Classroom, and this morning I read a brief tip about making sure your children know their name, their address, their phone number, and all those kinds of important pieces of information. And I realized that I have not shared my trick for how to get your kids to remember those things. And it's super duper easy. It worked with my kids, and I think it'll work for you too. It's every time you get home in the car or bike or walking, whatever you do, however you come home, you just chant the address together. So 6201 Woolwich Drive, or whatever your address happens to be. And if you do that, every time that you come home, in a matter of a week, you're going to notice that they have it pretty close to memorized, and it won't take much longer to have it absolutely solid. So I hope you'll do that with your kids. It is important that they know their address and their name, and of course their phone number too, but those are for another day. Have a great day, practice those, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.